Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious pineapple eggnog jello that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. The first thing I want to do is get ready the mold. You have to add a little bit of vegetable oil or your jello is going to stick to the mold and it's gonna come out absolutely not beautiful. But here I have a little napkin and I added a little bit of the vegetable oil and I'm gonna cover everything. And now I am ready to prepare the jello that goes with water. It's the pineapple. I'm using 3 cups of very hot water and 1 container of pineapple jello. Remember to mix it for a couple minutes so the jello dissolves completely. After you mix it really good, put it aside and let it rest so that it comes to room temperature. The gelatin needs to dissolve completely. Only takes a couple minutes. Now I am ready to start making the jello with the milk. I'm adding 3 cups of regular milk, and to this I am adding 2 packages of the eggnog jello. Look at this. From here I'm just gonna mix it and incorporate it really good before I take it to the stove and get it nice and hot. We don't want it boiling. We do want it nice and hot so the gelatin really dissolves into the milk. But make sure that you mix it really good. This jello really comes out so delicious, perfect for this hot weather, perfect for when you finish your dinner and you want something sweet but not too many calories. Well, this is the perfect jello to enjoy after a delicious dinner. Well, here, remember, you don't want the milk to boil. You just want it nice and hot. When it starts getting a little bit nice and hot, then you are ready to remove. Put it aside and add 3 more cups, but of very cold milk. The total cups of milk is 6. 3 hot and 3 cold. Well, here I have my glass, my cup of glass. I'm going to add 3 cups of very cold milk. And to this, I am going to add the mixture of the hot milk. Look at this. I'm going to incorporate it for a couple minutes. Of course, it's going to come down to room temperature. And then we're just going to put it aside and start making our delicious and amazing homemade jello. This mold is beautiful. You guys are going to love it. When it comes out perfect. Well, here remember that we already added the vegetable oil to all those little crevices, making sure that everything was covered, even the sides of the mold. Here, the jello is already at room temperature. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to cover it with saran paper so I could take it to the refrigerator for about 30 minutes until it's barely firming up. This part is important. Once you put it in the refrigerator, do not open your refrigerator so it starts getting a little firm. After the 30 minutes, I am ready to take the plastic off, just dab it a little bit. It's getting nice and firm. And now I am ready to add the mixture of the milk. Of course, I'm going to help myself with the spatula. You don't want to drop it really fast because then you could break the jello on the bottom. Of course, I'm going to leave it overnight, or you could leave it in the refrigerator if you want to enjoy it the same day for about 4 hours after you add the mixture of the milk. I prefer to leave it overnight, making sure that they both combined really good and that they come out nice and firm. Remember to always cover your jellos so they don't absorb all those aromas of the refrigerator. It's okay if it sticks to the saran paper. It's okay. Nothing's gonna happen. I left it overnight and now I am ready to reveal. I wet my hands, my palms of my hands, and now I'm ready just to pull it apart and show you how it looks, how beautiful it comes out. Remember that you need to prepare your mold. You need to add a little bit of vegetable oil so that your jello comes out intact. Nothing is left behind. Wet a little bit your plate just in case your jello is not centered. You are able to move it around. That's why you're gonna wet your plate with just a little bit of water. And now I am ready to reveal. Let's see how this jello is going to come out. I hope it comes out perfect. Look at this. Look how beautiful it came out. Look at this. Of course, on the center, you could add whipped cream. You could add slices of pineapple. The decoration is your choice. But here, I want to show you how beautiful it came out. Now, I am ready to slice this creamy and delicious homemade jello. And let me show you. I can't wait to enjoy it. I can't wait for the presentation. If you are here and you love and you like this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I am ready for the presentation. And of course, I am ready to enjoy this amazing homemade jello. See you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing and creamy eggnog pineapple jello. I know you guys are going to love it, but this is the part I love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. The combination is perfection. Just amazing. If you liked and loved this amazing jello, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing eggnog pineapple jello made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.